What's up, everybody? It's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a bald fade dreads haircut tutorial. It should be fun, quick, and easy, so pay attention, get your popcorn ready, because we about to dive into it real quick. Come on, let's do it. Okay guys, first things first is you want to get you your T outliners, whether it's the cordless lithium pros LIs or the andis T outliners that's corded, whichever one will work fine. But we're going to start out pretty high. That's what I did, and you'll be able to see it better on the other side. But I'm going all the way around my head, creating my first guideline, my bald line. You can see it real good in the back. But yeah, I pretty much started at the top of my C cup where the 90 degrees angle is on your sideburn or the side of your head. As you can see it real good right here. So I started up a little bit above my ear, and I'm going all the way around my head evenly, creating that first bald line. And setting the first guideline, that's the easy part, to be honest. All you have to do is just draw a straight line all the way around your head and clean up below it like I'm doing here. Next, I am using the wall clippers, lever open, no guard, and I'm going up about an inch, tracing that bald line, or let's say half an inch. I'm going up about a half an inch, tracing that bald line all the way around my head like I did the first guideline. All it takes is patience, steady hand, and you'll be fine. Follow these steps one at a time and you'll do fine. And I know you guys see the dreads. I had twisted these up. This video is actually a week old. I'm showing you guys finally. But yeah, I'm brushing my hair down now. You gotta make sure you lay all your hair down after each guideline. That way you'll get the perfect fade, perfect blend. And now I'm moving on to the one guard, lever open. And I'm doing the same thing, going around my head a half an inch. But yeah guys, comment down below if you like the way my dreads are coming out. That is my first twist. I did a twist video for you guys. I'll put it up in the right hand upper corner of this video, so check that out. But yeah, this is a week old, so I had to make sure I get y'all a haircut tutorial in, so comment down below if you have any ideas on what y'all would like to see in the future, and give this video a like for sure. Yeah, going around my head, simple, easy. Now I'm brushing it all down. Like I said, this brush comes in handy because you could think you're fading everything or getting that perfect guideline, but if you don't brush it all down and you finish your haircut, you'll see you'll have to go back and touch up. And here I've taken the 1.5 guard, lever open, and I'm pretty much doing the same thing, going around my head about a half inch. And I'm also blending the 1 and the 2. Even though you haven't seen me use a 2, this is what the 1.5 guard does. It's a perfect blend in between the 1 and the 2. And the 2 would be that hair at the top of the fade that's kind of bulky, real dark line right below the dreads. That would be called the 2. That's usually what I would use to debulk the 2 hairline. but this 1.5 is doing good. And now I'm switching back to the 1 guard lever close to try to knock out the line that the 1 guard lever open created. Well, not necessarily knock it out, but it'll soften it up, getting it ready for the 0 guard. Just detail work. Once you get the hang of it, you'll know what you need to touch up and what you can let go. As long as you're brushing your hair down and following these steps one by one, you should be good. And now I'm going to the 0 guard lever close. And this should knock out what the 1 guard lever close was trying to soften up. This guard, the 0 guard lever close, will knock out that bottom line. And don't worry about it if it don't come out. You could always use no guard lever close, and that'll knock out that bottom line as well. Brushing it all down. That fade come out pretty good. It came out real nice. And like I said, guys, the self-cut system is coming soon, so that'll make my haircuts a lot easier to show you guys. That way y'all can see every angle from start to finish. But right now, this is what I have to work with. A handheld mirror and my bathroom mirror is all I have. So if the self-cut system gets here, I believe that that'll take my haircut game to a whole nother level, even though it's pretty good right now. 7 years in, guys. Shout out to 360 Jezzy. He's the one that basically taught me YouTube. Now I'm giving myself my line up, cleaning up. Haircut looks good. That's a fresh twist for my dreads. Now I'm using the ballers. These are lithium balders right here. That'll get you very slick bald feel right there. You can get those from Walmart, or if not Walmart, order them from Amazon. But that's the cut, guys. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment down below. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Smash that like button. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions or any ideas that you would like to see on the videos to come when it comes down to haircuts or dreads or anything like that. Hit me up. I'll do my best to comment back to you guys. It's at the beginning stages. The channel is still new, so there's not a whole bunch of comments coming in. So if you leave a comment, I'll make sure I'll do my best to comment back to you guys. But yeah, cutting your hair is easy, especially if you stick to it. If you don't just give up, if you make a mistake and have to wear a hat for a little bit or whatever you set your mind to, you can do it. I know you heard that so many times, but it's so true. Do it. If you are somebody who is willing to take risks and learn new things, go get you some clippers, watch my videos, or watch anybody videos on YouTube that you like, and go after it. Soon you'll be making videos like this. But anyway, it's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.